The Audi R8 GT is more than just a car, it's a statement of intent. A fusion of raw power, exquisite craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology, the R8 GT is a masterpiece of automotive engineering. The R8 GT's front grille, with its honeycomb mesh and large Audi rings, is a signature design element that exudes aggression. The sharp lines and sculpted curves create a visually striking silhouette that demands attention. The car's low stance and wide track signal its performance-oriented nature. Step inside the R8 GT, and you're greeted by a cockpit that's designed to be an extension of the driver. The sport seats, with their aggressive bolsters and Alcantara upholstery, provide excellent support during spirited driving. The flat-bottom steering wheel feels great in the hands and is packed with controls for easy access to essential functions. The digital instrument cluster delivers clear and concise information. Under the skin, the R8 GT is a technological marvel. Its mid-engine layout ensures optimal weight distribution, resulting in exceptional handling and agility. The naturally aspirated V10 engine delivers a spine-tingling soundtrack and a surge of power that propels the car forward with astonishing acceleration. The R8 GT's advanced Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction and stability, even in challenging conditions. Despite its performance-oriented nature, the R8 GT doesn't compromise on comfort. The car is equipped with advanced features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a premium sound system. The R8 GT's interior is also designed to be luxurious, with high-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship. The Audi R8 GT offers a unique blend of performance, luxury, and technology. Its naturally aspirated V10 engine provides a thrilling driving experience, while its advanced chassis tuning ensures exceptional handling and agility. The R8 GT's striking design and luxurious interior make it a standout vehicle in its class. The Audi R8 GT is more than just a car, it's a masterpiece of engineering that delivers an unforgettable driving experience. If you're seeking a vehicle that combines raw power, exquisite craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology, the R8 GT is the perfect choice.